Growing snake beans in your backyard can be a rewarding endeavor, but they require proper care for successful growth. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you along the way. Snake beans are climbing plants that require support as they grow. Install trellises or stakes for the vines to climb. This also helps keep the beans off the ground. To begin, loosen the soil and dig holes large enough to accommodate the root system of each snake bean seedling. Then, place the seedlings in the holes at the same depth they were growing in their containers and fill the soil around them. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Snake beans require regular watering, especially during dry spells. Water at the base of the plants to prevent moisture-related diseases. Be vigilant for common garden pests like aphids, caterpillars, and whiteflies. Employ organic or chemical-free pest control methods if necessary. Applying a layer of organic mulch, such as straw or wood chips, around the base of the seedlings can help retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer or compost, and consider side dressing with additional fertilizer during the growing season, following the manufacturer's recommendations for application rates. As the plants grow, they will produce flowers. Bees and other pollinators play a crucial role in pollinating these flowers, leading to bean formation. Harvest snake beans when they are young and tender, typically around 12 to 18 inches in length. Simply snap them off the vine. Regular harvesting encourages more production. To prevent soil depletion and disease buildup, consider rotating your snake beans with different crops each season. Cooking snake beans is straightforward and versatile. They work exceptionally well when steamed, stir-fried, or incorporated into dishes like salads and curries. Feel free to experiment with different flavors and seasonings to suit your taste preferences while enjoying these delicious snake bean dishes. If you're interested in saving seeds for the next season, simply allow some beans to mature on the vine until they dry out. Afterward, harvest the pods and extract the seeds for storage. With these guidelines, you can nurture your snake bean plants from seedlings to a bountiful harvest and enjoy their culinary versatility.